The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 Honda Accord 4-door sedan. We've just installed the Yakima BaseLine CoreBar base roof rack system. So this system consists of the Yakima CoreBar, 50 inches in length, the BaseLine towers, set of 4, and the Yakima base slips, base slip 123 in the front and base slip 159 on the rear. So front to back crossbar spacing is preset at 32 inches, center to center. Overall, you have a 165-pound weight carrying capacity, so this is a great system to carry bikes, kayaks, cargo, pretty much anything you need. This is with the CoreBar, but you can upgrade for the JetStream load bar if you want the best in aero performance. But for more details on that, just click on the link in the description below. This is just a quick walk around on this particular car. But again, for more details, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.